Hi, let's learn about ecosystems by doing a gizmo on forest ecosystems. So the first couple of questions are just your own thought, prior knowledge questions. And then we're going to do a warm-up to see how this works. So first we'll just go ahead and click on advance year a couple times. So here we go. You can see years are passing. And then, oops, I'm supposed to do it only 2 times, but then we're supposed to remove all the deer. Let me try that again. Okay, 2 times. And then we're going to remove all the deer by hitting the minus sign until they're all gone. And if I click again, nothing happens. Okay, and then it says advance a couple more times. So let's see life without our deer. And then we're going to click on the data table. And it says click on pictograph. So, and then click on tree. Okay, and then it shows how did removing the deer affect the tree population. So remember, after 2 years, we removed the deer population, and then we can see that the tree population is increasing. And you can talk about why you think that happens. And then we're going to check what happened to the mushroom population. Again, that similar pattern happened after we got rid of all the deer. The mushrooms population started increasing. Okay, so that's basically how it works. You're going to be doing a couple activities where you're using these tabs that we just used. So here we've got we're going to be looking at forest again. So I'm going to reset it, and then you're going to answer these questions. And if it says to get rid of something, get rid of it, and then see what happens as a result. And then you're going to draw some conclusions based on those results. Okay, and a couple terms you're going to be learning about are organic, inorganic. Organic are living things, inorganic are non-living things. So sometimes we say biotic, abiotic. And then producers are organisms that can make their own food, so like a plant or a tree. And then consumers are organisms that can't make their own food, so they have to eat other things, like the bear or the deer. Those are producers. I'm sorry, those are consumers. Okay, so you're just going to follow step by step. It's going to tell you to do different things, and you're going to be learning different concepts with each activity. This one is about the bears. You're going to learn about decomposers. They're what break down usually dead things, and they return that matter back into the ground. They do not need to kill to get their food, so they usually break down things that are dead or dying. Okay, and then activity C, some other things. So there will be a point where, let's say, it tells you to put a screenshot of your graph. So right here, let's say I have a graph and I wanted to, I don't know why, oh, it's because I reset it. But let's say I have a nice graph. All you have to do is click this camera, and then you will have a screenshot that you can copy. You right click and copy, and then you can go to your data table and then right click and paste it. Bam, there we go. Okay, so that's an easy way to put your graphs once you finish, and then you can turn that in when you finish. So if you have any other questions, feel free to email me. Otherwise, have a good time.